Today, we're diving into the realm of server memory with the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR3-1600MHz ECC UDIMM. Designed exclusively for servers, this kit boasts a whopping 64GB capacity, perfect for handling heavy workloads and demanding applications. With a memory speed of 1600 MHz, you can expect smooth and efficient performance, even during peak usage. One of the standout features of this memory kit is its ECC, error-correcting code, technology. ECC memory is crucial for servers, as it helps detect and correct errors in real time, ensuring data integrity and system stability. Whether you're running mission-critical tasks or managing a high-traffic network, ECC memory provides an added layer of protection against potential data corruption. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the unbuffered design of these UDIMMs. Simply plug them into your compatible server motherboard, and you're good to go. Plus, with a low voltage of 1.35 V, you can expect energy efficiency without compromising on performance. NEMIX RAM backs up their product with a lifetime replacement warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your investment. This commitment to quality and reliability is further reinforced by the brand's reputation in the industry. Overall, if you're in need of a memory upgrade for your server infrastructure, the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR3-1600MHz ECC UDIMM is undoubtedly a top contender. Its impressive capacity, ECC technology, and lifetime warranty make it a standout choice for server administrators and IT professionals alike. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.